Welcome back, G-Acconies. In today's video, we are excited to introduce a new set of new FreshBooks accounting reports, which you can download from FreshBooks to Google Sheets. As you're probably aware of, accounting reports provide insight onto your business's financial well-being. They are statements that show the financial health of a business. So how exactly does G-Accon help? Well, G-Accon helps you generate standard and custom reports with the use of our flexible templates. These flexible templates use filters, dynamic dates, comparing multiple periods, etc. G-Accon also helps you automatically refresh these reports when you are offline with the help of our flexible schedule. It allows you to refresh it hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. So how can you generate an accounting report? Well, to answer this question, let's look at an example. To generate the accounting report in Google Sheets from FreshBooks, you must first make sure that you are logged into your FreshBooks account. Then you need to select Extensions from the Spreadsheets menu option, and then G-Accon for FreshBooks, the add-on. After these two steps are complete, you will have to select the Standard Reports option, and then finally the Profit and Loss report. So let's talk about how we can design a template for the report. First, you have to select the Profit and Loss option from the drop-down menu options. Please note that G-Accon for FreshBooks provides you with the ability to set up the date range for your data manually, and it also helps you refresh your data dynamically. Within the processes of generating an accounting report, you have the ability to set up a dynamic date range. The reported data will be calculated based on the selected date range. For your convenience, there are pre-populated values such as this month, this quarter, this year, last month, and so on. So let's talk a little bit about static date range. You will have the ability to set up the static date range to and from. Also, you can customize your own date range by using the cell reference, which is now being shown on the screen. And lastly, we have change pool settings. So change pool settings is responsible for the organization of your data in Google Sheets. It uses operations such as keep formatting, create a new Google Sheet, display only report summaries, etc. Our final step is to execute the template. So all we have to do is click on the execute button located on your lower right. Then, after this step, the report will be populated in your Google Sheets. And if you decide to modify your template, you will need to select the Update, Modify, Delete template. This can be found in the Current Sheet menu option. Then you have to load the template, modify your selection, and then finally execute your template. And also, if you're wondering how to schedule an automatic refresh data, you can find a video on this on our YouTube channel. The next step is to automatically refresh your report. In order to do so, you need to select the automation and create workflow. Again, if you don't know how to do this, please refer to our short video, Automate Reports in Google Sheets using G-Accon, which can also be found on our YouTube channel. That's it for today's video, G-Acconies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get new information about our latest softwares and to be informed with our videos. Till next time.